How to remove header and footer from your Microsoft Word document. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily delete your header and footer on your Word document. So let me just quickly open up my Word document, and as you can see here, I've got a few pages and all of them have header as well as the footer. Now, if you want to remove them, it's quite easy. First, you want to go over to the Insert tab, and then from here, you want to go to header or footer. So click on the header or footer option. And then if you want to remove the header, if you have already added it, you'll find the remove header option right here. Just tap on it and it will be removed. You can do the same thing for your footer as well. Or instead, what you can do is double tap on the bottom of your screen. It will take you to the footer side. And then you can easily adjust it. Now, if you want to remove it, what you can do is simply go over here. And then you can go to the footer option, click on the drop down, and then click on remove footer. Or you can just basically tap delete button on your keyboard or backspace to delete it. So I'll just go over here and then click on remove footer. Now all of the header and footer have been removed from this document. Now you can just close header or footer or press escape key on your keyboard. I'll just tap right here, and then now you've got a document without any headers or footers. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.